Dictionary. At dictionary. In a general context, a hiccup refers to a sudden, involuntary contraction of the diaphragm muscle followed by a quick closure of the vocal cords, which produces a distinctive hic sound. Hiccups are typically benign and temporary, often caused by various factors such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, or experiencing excitement or stress. While occasional hiccups are common and usually harmless, persistent or severe hiccups may be a sign of an underlying medical condition and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Hiccups can be an annoyance but are generally brief and resolve on their own, with many home remedies and techniques available to alleviate them.